morning. We're on our way to Zhangjiajie Park. We're getting a ride from a hotel owner, and she's an excellent driver. We're driving in the mountains with the jeep, and it's a very bumpy road.
Good driver.
Yeah, you're a good driver. The location of the hotel is perfect because it's very close by to the entrance of the park. And she said that today there are not that many people, so it's great because the park is very big, and we wanted to evade some tourists here because yesterday at the mountain there were a lot of tourists. These are the Avatar mountains that you can already see. We're in the park now. We have to walk. We got this map from the hotel owner, and now we're gonna walk for 2 hours. And then we reached the beautiful Avatar mountains. So Gina got a hat for the sun.
It's the best purchase I've made in all of China. Yeah. I love it.
This park is massive. We have to now first walk for 2 hours to get to our first point. And the first point is this map showing. Let me show you. We're going to walk from here, where we are now, this to here, where the Avatar mountains are, and then we go like this, take Jinglifang and go all the way back here. It's gonna take 5 to 6 hours. You see the spiders? And there's also a spider web.
Ooh. Oh yeah, that's massive.
See how big it is?
That's massive. That's cool. That's really cool.
Yeah, cool. Very cool.
I just feel like the
Wild monkey infesting area. Caution, do not tease feeding. Tease feeding.
I feel like there's gonna be like a million Andrew Tates of the monkey world, just like standing there like.
So wiggly. Giant salamanders.
I hope so. Scientific values.
Oh, look at this. Look how big they are.
Oh, I would love to spot one.
I love how they show this, and then they show a dish how to make water milk with it. Look, Gina. We arrived at the beautiful Avatar mountains, and they are absolutely majestic. I don't know what to say about it. It's absolutely one of the most beautiful sights I've ever saw. All Chinese films. Hello. Hello. Uh-oh. So we're gonna leave the monkeys alone from this point on. They're following us.
Are they?
Yeah. There's also one here. Look, there's a baby in the trees. There's a lot of monkeys here.
你走，你赶紧走，啊！他在你旁边，我抱你。
They really want to steal stuff from our bags.
太厉害了！哎，
They managed to steal some tampons from her. And this one is already waiting to steal something, I think.
Oh God!
Uh-oh.
哦，你别看了，别看了，别看了，别看了，别看了，别看了，别看了，别看了，你别看了。
What? You're running to the... He was very big, right?
He was the Andrew Tate of them. He was very... No, this was so scary. No, the Oh, so scary.
He went for it for sure.
He was actually like sitting there like...
Like, come, dare to pass. You shall not pass.
It's very pretty though. Hello.
Hello.
Maybe it's the... I think the colour's really nice.
Yeah.
I think maybe this is what brides wear.
We got some Chinese pear to mix for a juice. Mm. Because this would be weird if it was.
This is the elevator.
Where you don't see.
This is the elevator to the elevator.
Yeah. So we're gonna take the biggest glass elevator against the rock in the national park in the world.
走进去，中间走进去一点，后面还有人要进来的，往里面走，中间往前走，往前走，前面是空的。
It's going fast.
Yeah, but it's fine.
Imagine it just stay concrete like this.
Roger.
Wow.
Oh, here we go.
You can buy your goldfish here, but then put it in the water here for good luck.
You didn't see the tortoise. Go and have a look. Yeah, look.
Oh yeah, the statue. Yeah.
Is it real? No, I think it's real.
Yeah, that's good.
Look, they're moving.
You can buy one and it's free.
Are they three-headed? Look, I think that's three-headed.
They're not three-headed. So there's supposed to be a bridge here, and it's called the #1 bridge in the world. Oh, I see. Wow, see, Gino. This is the natural bridge.
Fucking hell, wow. Sorry, I just that's amazing. Oh, China's the best country in the whole wide world.
It's also extremely busy here. That's a bit of the problem with national monuments in China, is that there's so many people. You can't just waiting in line for a view of a mountain. I mean, it's pretty, but it's a lot of people.
Is it sweet?
Yes, sweet.
Is it?
You want to try this?
Yeah. 好吃，很好吃的。 Cool. Thank you. Oh, 西瓜修着的。
Yeah, you have to drink it with a straw.
勺子吃那个。Oh, thank you.
So you have to drink this with a straw,
Yeah.
I think. Is this correct?
Yeah.
I like that. Fishy.
Thank you. Is it nice?
Yeah. It's just an animal. It's hard to breathe. Okay, next up we're gonna, let's see on the map where we have to go next. So now we are, can you hold this?
Yeah.
We are now here, down the elevator we just took. And now we have to go here. And I don't know exactly what this is. But from here we have to walk this point and then take another cable cart, if we want to a viewpoint here. Because we have to take the same cable cart also down again. We don't have to do it. We can see there what we want to do. And then from there we can go back. That's it. The biggest attraction on this whole tour is usually the buses that drive like crazy. Well, luckily I do get car sick.
I think you're gonna stay right now. Yeah.
I would never be able to drive this fast on such a windy road.
That's crazy road, is that?
You know what I say when you feel bad?
What?
You have to think of mayonnaise.
No, I don't know why you say that.
Quick! Hours later. I made it back and our hotel guide was so nice to pick us up. Now we're gonna go back to the hotel, rest up a little bit. We made it back on the bumpy road. This music as well. Huh? With this music. Bye bye. Let's check out the hotel. Our room is on the second floor of this building. Bye bye. The people here are so sweet. They're very helpful. They came and pick us up everywhere.
So sweet.
And the view is amazing. Got this double bed here. So Gina is sleeping on the top. We've got this merry mini bathtub. A very fancy toilet. And this is actually super cheap.
Did you make your bed?
Oh no, they did it.
Oh, that's very nice of them.
Yeah. So the hotel owner just texted us and they said we will get a free upgrade for the best suite they have, because they don't get that much foreign visitors here. So we're excited to get the bubble room, whatever that means. Hello!
Is this your dog?
Yes.
What's his name?
March.
March. Yeah.
He's very playful.
Yes.
It's great.
This is glass house. This is bubble house.
Oh, nice.
I very love bubble house.
Oh, nice,
It's
nice.
so beautiful.
Thank you so
Oh wow,
much.
thank you.
Very- You're happy. I am very happy.
It's so pretty.
Oh my god.
This mirror.
Wow.
You're sleeping, so this is closed.
Okay, okay.
This way.
Yeah, yeah.
Come.
March.
Wow, this is really in between the trees here.
Oh my god.
Oh wow.
This way.
Look at this.
Wow.
Wow, this is really nice.
Okay.
Thank
Face.
you so much.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Wow, it's so pretty.
I love this room too.
Yeah. Hi,
Wow.
Samo. This is.
Yeah, that's okay,
Okay.
that's okay.
Oh, yeah.
That's okay. Wow, the crickets make such a loud sound here. So the upgrade we got in the new room is amazing. We just had some food and now we're gonna go sleep because we had a long day. And tomorrow we have an early wake up, so we're gonna go to another park nearby. I'll tell you more about that tomorrow. And we're also gonna go to a spa, and then we have a flight to Kunming. So I'll see you in the morning. Good morning. We had an amazing night in the bubble. I slept actually very good, finally.
Yeah, I did sleep quite well after that medicine you gave me.
Yeah. I got some Chinese medicine from Ying's mom. And whenever I drink this, it makes me sleep amazing. Today we're gonna go explore a little bit more in this region. We're gonna get a ride from our host. So our next stop is one of the biggest glass bridges in China, over the Grand Canyon of China, in Zhangjiajie. And we have our shoes on to walk on the glass. And this is the bridge. And there they are doing some via ferrata on the rocks. And there is supposedly also a lake there with a waterfall where a boat goes on. And then you can do an elevator there and a zip line. And it's all not that expensive. Like if you do a zip line in the West, you would pay like 100 euros for this. This is 15 yuan, which is literally 2 euro for the zip line. So it's very cheap. Wow. Crazy. I don't like this at all.
Oh my gosh.
Do it.
I can't do a push. I can't even do a push up. Normally, let alone I'm scared.
Really?
Yeah, hold on.
What do you think?
I love it. It's pretty. Very, very pretty. How nice would it be to live in that little house over there?
Yeah.
It's the definition of peace and tranquility.
Go lay down.
Lay down. But I'm scared. Okay. I just.
Is it scary?
Yeah. I feel a bit sick.
Just lay down with your eyes on this like this.
I can't. I'm scared. Oh my god, I feel like this kid's gonna do it.
Thank you very much. Thanks for everything.
Thank you.
Oh. Put your back outside.
See you, handsome.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Thank you.
There you go. Ciao, ciao. Bye-bye. See you next time. Bye.
I just love her.
Yeah, this was definitely a highly recommended hotel. I will leave it in the comments, leave it in the description which hotel this was, because I can recommend everyone to come here. It was amazing and the people are very, 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 very sweet. We've got our last hours in Zhangjiajie. We just came back from the glass bridge and now we're gonna end it with some spa that we got recommended by our hotel owner. And after this I'm gonna go to Xishangbana, which will follow in a later video. So if you're interested to see more, like this video, don't forget to subscribe and see you next time.